Across Africa, a new generation is rising. Young minds, brilliant and ambitious, ready to build solutions the world has never seen. But too often, they are stopped before they start. Not by lack of talent, but by lack of access. 1 year ago, we changed that. In March 2025, Smear Foundation and AI Robotics Innovation Technologies launched with a simple belief that every child, regardless of background, deserves the tools to become an innovator. This is the story of our first year. Smear Foundation empowers young minds through accessible, hands-on STEAM education. We don't just teach robotics and AI. We ignite a passion for problem solving.
The reason why food security matters, especially in Africa, is because in terms of accuracy, humans tend to be 85% accurate, and the remaining 15% can lead to some devastating thing happening to your crops. So we tend to solve this problem by creating a robot that is 99.9% accurate and is cost effective and has enough energy and stamina to last an entire year. Thank you.
Our mission is clear: to build an Africa-rooted innovation ecosystem where talent, research, and industry come together to create technologies with real impact. From weekend robotics clubs to intensive boot camps, from nursery school workshops to professional training, we meet students where they are and take them where they dream to go. It started with a pilot boot camp, a handful of students, a room full of curiosity, and a belief that this could work.
A test. Now that it is dark, you can see it's brighter. But when you turn it on back, it will go off.
And it did. The projects our students build are not toys. They are solutions. Smart dustbins, temperature-controlled fans, autonomous planting robots, tackling food insecurity, obstacle-avoiding bots, navigating the real world, IoT home control systems, traffic light simulations, and yes, robots playing soccer. Each one represents a young person who looked at a problem and said, "I can fix that." These are the projects of a generation that refuses to wait for someone else to build Africa's future. So far, we've trained and certified over 996 students and professionals. We've partnered with 8 schools across Nigeria, bringing AI and robotics education to communities that had never seen it before. Our students have earned certifications from global leaders like AWS, IBM, Google, and Mechatron Robotics. But the real impact isn't in the numbers. It's in the parent who watches their child present a project and sees a future they never imagined. It's in the teacher who says, "I want this for my school." It's in the student who walks into our classroom unsure and walks out unstoppable. Listen to their voices.
Next thing I'm seeing her doing, she's trying to construct a lot of things, constructing houses, telling me about smart dustbin and some technical terms that I cannot even pronounce.
So what to build simulations, and we use code.org to build games and design games.
Amongst our Saturday Club students and Technova graduates, the story is the same. This changed everything. We celebrated the International Day of the Girl Child because we believe every girl deserves to see herself as a builder, an innovator, an engineer. We showcased our work on national television. We brought our robots into schools where children received the opportunity to view their future from a different lens. And every time, the question we heard was the same: when can we start? But we didn't stop at the classroom. AI Robotics Innovation Technologies, the industry arm of our vision, connects talent to research, research to business, business to impact. We've trained corporate professionals. We've showcased at innovation exhibitions and tech conferences. We've hosted discussions featuring global tech leaders, discussing the future of innovation in Africa. We're building partnerships with universities, with industry, with government, because sustainable change doesn't happen in silos. This is just the beginning. Every student we train is a seed that grows into an innovator, an entrepreneur, a researcher, a teacher who will train the next generation. Our vision is audacious but clear: to empower a new generation of AI and robotics innovators through solution-driven, accessible, and affordable technology education, to ignite a generation of African innovators who build solutions not just for the continent, but for the world. Because the future of AI isn't being written in Silicon Valley alone. It's being written here, in Nigeria, in Accra, in Nairobi, in classrooms where a child picks up a sensor for the first time and realizes, I can build this. We are Smear Foundation. We are AI Robotics Innovation Technologies. And we are building Africa's future. One student, one project, one breakthrough at a time. Join us.